Hello Proven students. Today I'm going to show you how to access your financial aid account and also how to accept financial aid rewards. So after you've done the FAFSA stuff and gotten everything in line with WTC, you should get an email from them. And it'll look very similar to this, where it'll say action required, very important. It'll have your name, tell you that you need to revise and accept, reduce, or decline your financial aid loans. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to access that. Now, in the email, there is an automatic link to where if you click on this, it'll take you right to the financial aid page. But I'm also going to show you how to access it from the Western website. So we are going to go over to the current students page on Western TC's website. And right here, for your current student options, you have My Western, Email, Blackboard, My Financial Aid. So you can click on My Financial Aid, and then you will put in your social security number and a password that you have created for your financial aid account. Now, once you have signed in, you'll be welcomed to your opening page. This will tell you if you have anything that you need to do. Sometimes it'll say unread or needs to be complete under here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the menu option up here. Go down to the menu and click Accept Awards. The next page, it'll show you your school budget, some other resource information, and what your awards are. So what you can do is you can look at them, decide which ones you want to accept and which ones you may not need anymore. So then from this point on, you either pick and choose, select, or decline, and then you would hit submit. And it's that simple. Once you hit submit, then it is good to go, and they will have your account ready for when your classes are being charged. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me at projectprovenintern@gmail.com.